Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again. And if you're new, hi, my name is Sandra, and today we're going to do my blast into Jupitur update number 4. And I can't believe it. We are almost done with this project. We are almost hitting 2020. It's so weird. But today I'm going to show you all my products in this project. If you don't know what this project is, it is a project where we're trying to use our product that are somehow related to the solar system in terms of name or colors. In this project we have some planets, and from that planet we are going to translate it into a product. So in front of me I have 8 products, and I have 1 empty and maybe 3 empties for next update, so I'm really excited. So if you want to see how I did, then keep on watching. First up is Mercury, and Mercury is grey, and for that I chose this one. This is my Teeze 20 cosmetic powder in the shade 301 Feather Light. So my powder looks like this right now and looks like this. Yeah, I'm so close. I'm a little bit bummed that this is not gone yet, but I think I will have this done for the next update. I think I will try to cross it up around the rim and then repress it in the middle, because it's really hard for my press to get in there and get it coated. So I'm going to leave a comparison picture on the screen. I did remember to take a screenshot from last video, so I'm really excited about that. So I can see this is going down and I'm really happy about it. So next update, this is going to be an empty. Alright, next up is Venus, and Venus is pale yellow, and for that I chose this one. This is the Body Shop Moringa Body Yogurt. I love this one. This is so nice. This is best for summertime because it's a more jelly consistency. And yeah, I don't know if you can tell, I don't know if you can see it, but right down there we got this jelly consistency body lotion. I don't know how to describe it. And right here I got my marks. This one was from my last update, and now I'm down to here. So I have made some decent progress on this one, and I'm really happy about it. So I think this one is going to be an empty as well from next update, because I tend to forget it, but I really want to remember to use it because it's really nice and it's getting older and older. Next up is Earth, and Earth is blue and white, and for that I chose this one. This is my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and yeah, as you can see I am low in this one, really low. So last time I was up here, and now I'm a little bit lower that line because I used it today and I forgot to remove the mark to make it again. But I am right here, just a little bit lower that line, but I'm really happy to see some progress on this one. I do have a backup of this one, but I think I will hold on to that a little bit longer and then try to use some of my other primers up. But I really like this one. So really happy to see that is low, and that is also going to be empty for my next update because I'm so low in it. Alright, then we got Mars, and Mars is Reddishbrown, and for that I chose a nail polish, and I do have 2 nail polishes in this project, but that doesn't bother me because I really like both of them. This one I got on my nails today. I love this shade. Pairs really well with my shirt. I love this one. This is so freaking stunning for fall and winter. But that is this one. This is my Essie nail polish in plain koi. Love this shade. This is so stunning. So my mark is right here. So as you can see, I have moved a tiny bit. Not a whole lot, but it's enough for me to see some progress on it. I really like this one and use this maybe between 3 and 4 times every single month, so I can see some progress on it. It only takes 2 coats because it's really opaque and creamy. The next planet we got is Jupitur, and Jupitur is white and orange, and for that I chose this one. This is my Coty Airspun powder, and yeah, my last update was not great at all because I didn't have any progress on it, but I do this time. I know it's not a whole lot, but it's more than nothing. And progress is progress, right? So I am right here. I was up here the last update, and now I'm down here. I don't know why I didn't put my mark on the side, because I think that would be a little bit more easier for me. But they're here now and they're going to stay there. I don't know if I can reach my goal on using half of it up because it takes forever to use. But I really like it and enjoy it a lot. The scent is a little bit overpowering at first, but I got used to it, so I really like it, and I enjoy using it every single time I do my makeup. And then we got Saturn, and Saturn is pale gold, and for that I chose this one. This is my LA Splash Hydro eyeshadow in the shade Opulent. Really like this one. I don't have any major progress on it, so I didn't mark it. I know I got some progress right now, but that is because it has been laying on the side and the product has settled down in one side. So I don't have any progress on this one. I got it on my eyes today. Love the shade and I love the glittery sparkle it gives my eyes. So really nice. Alright, then we got Uranus, and Uranus is pale blue, and for that I got this one. This is my Teeze Fuel for Life for Her perfume, and yeah, I got an empty perfume. I am so excited. So excited, and I don't know how to describe this, but I'm so excited. It took me forever to use up, and as you can see on the back here, my last update was right here, and now I completely finished it off. I am so happy to see this go, because this is an older perfume in my collection, and I'm not a huge fan of the scent anymore. It's a little bit more fresh, citrus fresh scent, and it doesn't suit me anymore. It gave me a little bit of headache in the end, and it was really alcohol-y scented. So I was not a big fan of that. But I completely finished this off, and I'm so happy about it. So this one is my first perfume this year I have used up. I think a full size, of course. Not a travel size or mini size. I have used multiple of those, but not a full size. So I'm really happy to see it. So this one, it's probably going to be my only perfume I use up in 2019, but I'm so happy to see this go. Instead of that, I was debating on putting in another perfume or some skincare, and I decided to do some skincare because I really want to use this big bottle up, and I know it's not old, but it's getting older, and yeah, I just need to use it up. So that is this one. This is my Lóreal Micellar cleansing water, and as you can see, I have used this quite a lot. But it's not emptied yet. So as you can see, I got some products to go, but I think I can use this up in 2 months. I do use it maybe 4 to 5 times every week, so I think I can use it up. I really like it, and it doesn't take my makeup off completely, but it's really nice to cleanse my skin after work, because I don't wear any makeup at work, but only on my off days, and this is my off day, as you can see, because I wear makeup and it's Monday. So this one is going to be my Uranus product, and I really hope I can finish this one off, so yay. Last but not least is Neptune, and Neptune is dark blue, and for that I chose this one. This is my Depend nail polish in the shade 41. I don't know, it's getting harder and harder to get in here. But my last update was up here, I think. Something tells me I forgot to make my line last update. But maybe I was around here. But now I'm all the way down to here. I really like this nail polish, but it takes 3 coats to make it opaque. And it's getting a little bit more drier and clumpier. But I think I can use maybe 1 or 2 mani out of this one. And then I'm going to say goodbye to it, because I don't want to use a nail polish thinner or something to make it thin again and use it. When it's getting goopy and hard to apply, I'm going to throw it out, because I got so many nail polishes in my collection. And I don't see any point of making them new again with some thinner nail polish thinner. So I'm just going to try to use this one up. Maybe next update this is going to be an empty. So that was all my products, and I think I can have maybe 4 products as an empty for next update. My powder, my body lotion, my primer, and then my nail polish. I cannot remember all of them. But I think I can have 4 products as an empty for next update, and I'm really excited about it. And I'm so happy to see a perfume go. So that was it for my update, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That will help me a lot. And I really hope you want to subscribe and stick around. That will mean a lot to me. And then I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.